Your new Slime Tire Tackle Kit has everything you need to repair and maintain your bicycle tires and tubes. Part 1. How to repair your tube with the peel and stick patches and tire levers. Step 1. Using the included tire levers, work one side of the tire off the rim, then remove your injured tube. Step 2. Take the metal scuffer and scratch up the area around the tube puncture. When you're done scuffing, your tube should feel rough to the touch. Step 3. Wipe the newly scuffed area clean and dry. The drier the area, the better the patch will stick. Step 4. Peel the backing off the patch and press it firmly over the puncture. Smooth out any wrinkles and make sure no air is trapped under the patch. Check that the edges are completely pressed down and your tube is ready to use. Step 5. Before you insert your patch tube, check your tire for the puncturing object and remove if possible. Then simply reassemble your bicycle tire. Air up, and go. Part 2. Maintaining your bicycle tires. Your Slime Tire Tackle Kit has everything you need to keep your bicycle tires rolling. Use the compact tire gauge to maintain proper tire pressure, and easily replace valve cores with the green valve core removal tool. Finally, don't forget to replace any worn valve caps. Good as new!